Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Today's video is for anyone who's looking to start their career as a remote worker. Whether you're a recent graduate or someone who's looking to switch careers, these 7 remote jobs are perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative support to clients from a remote location. Tasks may include scheduling appointments, managing emails, and making travel arrangements. This job is perfect for beginners as it requires minimal experience and can be done from anywhere in the world. Content writer. Content writers create written content for websites, blogs, and social media platforms. If you have a passion for writing, this job could be perfect for you. While some companies may require previous writing experience, many are willing to work with beginners who have a natural talent for writing. Social media manager. Social media managers are responsible for managing a company's social media presence. This may include creating content, scheduling posts, and analyzing engagement data. While some companies may require previous social media experience, many are willing to train beginners who have a passion for social media. Online tutor. Online tutoring is a great way to use your knowledge and expertise to help others. There are many online tutoring platforms that allow you to teach subjects like English, math, science, and more. This job is perfect for beginners who have a teaching background or are experts in a particular subject. Graphic designer. If you have an eye for design, becoming a remote graphic designer could be a great option for you. Graphic designers create visual concepts, using computer software or by hand, to communicate ideas that inspire, inform, or captivate consumers. While some companies may require previous graphic design experience, many are willing to work with beginners who have a natural talent for design. Customer service representative. Customer service representatives are responsible for assisting customers with inquiries, complaints, and product or service information. Many companies offer remote customer service positions that require no previous experience, making it a great job for beginners. Transcriptionist. Transcriptionists listen to audio recordings and transcribe them into written documents. This job requires excellent listening skills and attention to detail. While some companies may require previous transcription experience, many are willing to train beginners who have the necessary skills. There you have it, 7 remote jobs for beginners. These jobs require different skill sets, so choose the one that best suits your interests and strengths. Remember, starting a remote career takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Good luck!